Phrasal verbs used by native speakers.
Blow up. The bomb blew up without any warning. He blew up the balloon. Come across. I came across some old photographs on the wall. He didn't come across very well in the interview. Count on. You can count on my son. She didn't count on rain. Look up. I need to look up the definition of this word. I'll look you up next time I'm in town. Get along with. I don't really get along with my sister. It's time we were getting along. Drop back. They dropped back to the end of the line. Temperatures will drop back to normal by tonight. Get away. I won't get away from the office until 8. The thieves got away in a stolen motorbike. Hand down. This watch was handed down from my father. The jury handed down a guilty verdict. Look down on. My neighbor often looked down on the poor. They looks down on people who don't have social status. Run out of. We ran out of gas on the way home. We've run out of salt. I'm going to the supermarket. Cut down on. I'm trying to cut down on caffeine. We need to cut down on our living expenses. Break up with. She decided to break up with her boyfriend. She unexpectedly broke up with her boyfriend. Get about. The rumor quickly got about. He finds it hard to get about since his accident. Get after. You need to get after the kids to finish their homework. She decided to get after her goal and apply for the job. Get by. We can get by on my saving, but it's not easy. I can get by with my basic English. Look back. She looked back on her childhood with her grandfather. When we look back on the problems we faced, we realize how much we've grown. Chat up. He was chatting her up all day. She's really good at chatting up people at events. Bring back. Can you bring the comic back when you've finished reading it? The CEO plans to bring back the old logo. Take after us. She really takes after her mother. He takes after his father's footsteps and became a teacher. Take up. I've decided to take up swimming this year. She took up the position of team leader.